Good morning, everyone. Welcome, and thank you for tuning in today to our introductory video. Today, we are going to start with the introduction for the week of February 18th through the 24th. So we're going to go here to our folder for the week, and you will notice here right away that we have our weekly checklist to put into Notability. So let me start by walking you through what's going to happen for this week. First of all, as we start to look at things, as it pulls up here, you are going to see that Thursday, if you're cohort A, Mr. Bronson is going to be here to talk about the transition to hybrid, talk about a few other things as we start to think about trimester 3, which starts in about 3 weeks. Cohort B, you will complete a reflection on the island. Friday, it will be just the opposite. Cohort A, you're going to do the reflection, and cohort B, you will do Mr. Bronson's presentation. Monday, we are going to shift gears a lot. All right. So, first of all, we are going to move into Russian history. All right. So, in the week's folder, you will see one that says a folder that says Russian history, Tsar to the Revolution. All right. You will go there, and there will be a note sheet called Tsar to the Revolution and put it into Notability. Now, you are going to be using this note sheet for several days. So, do not lose it, do not delete it. Make sure you can access it. All right. On the note sheet, you will see that there are many steps with it, and it walks you through the steps, and all of the resources are found in the folder for the week. So what you are going to do then is you will complete steps 1 through 3 today. Okay? Tuesday, you will continue with that note sheet. Same thing, only you'll be doing steps 4 and 5 on that. All right, so please keep that in mind. This is going to be our week. Wednesday, of course, will be a catch up day. If you've not done your island yet, please get that submitted and email me so I can get that graded. Have a wonderful week, everyone.